In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group on Splitwise. If you've ever gone on a trip with friends, shared an apartment, or just had a lot of small expenses to keep track of, Splitwise can make splitting the bill much easier. One of the best ways to stay organized in Splitwise is by using groups. A group keeps all shared expenses in one place, so everyone can clearly see who owes what. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a group from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to the Splitwise website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look towards the upper left area of the screen for your profile icon. This might be a small circle with your initials or a generic avatar. Click on that profile icon. This opens up a menu or sidebar where you can manage different parts of your account, including your groups. In that menu, look for the option that says Create a Group and click on it. This will take you to the group creation page. Think of this page as the setup form for your new group. Here's where you define what the group is for and who's going to be in it. You'll see a field where you can type in the group name. Click in that box and enter a clear, descriptive name that everyone will recognize. For example, you might call it Spain Trip 2025, Housemate's Apartment, or Weekend Getaway. A good name makes it easier for everyone to remember what the group is about, especially if they're in multiple groups. Next, you'll add the people you want to share expenses with. You'll see fields to type in a person's name and their email address. Start by entering the name of a friend or family member, then type their email in the email field. This email is how Splitwise will invite them to join the group, so double check that you've typed it correctly. Repeat this for each person you want to include. You don't have to add everyone at once, but it's convenient to add as many as you can now. Once you're happy with the group name and the list of members you've added, look for the button that says Save and click it. This saves your new group and sends out the invitations. After this, your group is ready, and you can start adding expenses, tracking who paid for what, and keeping everything organized in one place.